How is it the 23rd and I'm already broke again?
You coming to brunch with us?
Can't. Gotta catch up on some stuff. Yeah, sure.
Do you have another card?
I make decent money. Why does it feel like I'm drowning? You ever heard of the 50-30-20 rule? No, I just spend what I need to, and then some. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or debt. It's not perfect, but it's a start. I don't even know what's a need anymore. Okay, no more guessing. Not today. I didn't overspend this week. First time in I don't know how long. Proud of you. Keep going. I used to think money stress was just part of being an adult. But it was me, my habits, my choices. I was spending to feel better, but it only made things worse. Still a long way to go, but I'm not drowning anymore. It's weird, but cash makes it real. And having someone to check in with, that's everything. You're like a budgeting guru now. Let's not get carried away. I used to live paycheck to paycheck. Now I live with purpose.